Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
This video shows the only reliable way to disable airplane mode on a PC. You will use the Windows Settings app and device management tools. Keyboard or Action Center toggles may not persist or work on some machines. Administrative access is required to change device states and network adapter settings. If wireless drivers block changes, you will perform a quick reboot. These steps work for Windows 10 and Windows 11 and avoid third-party software that can cause conflicts. Start by opening settings in Windows 10 or 11 using the Start menu or Windows key. Go to Network and Internet and select Airplane Mode from the left column. Turn the Airplane Mode toggle off and confirm wireless radios show enabled. Next, open Device Manager by right-clicking Start and choosing Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, right-click each wireless adapter and choose Disable, then choose Enable after 5 seconds. Reboot the PC if wireless connectivity does not return after those actions. After performing the steps, check the system tray network icon and verify available Wi-Fi networks appear. If networks do not appear within 30 seconds, update wireless drivers through Device Manager. Use the vendor website or automatically search for updated drivers if necessary. If drivers update fails, run command prompt as administrator and execute sfc/scano to repair system files that may block toggling. Finally, reboot one more time and confirm airplane mode remains off and wireless connectivity is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.